Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So I'd like to show you, I'd like to start actually with the longest code. So let's open the dialer, and the code is *## 284 6579 ###. And here we are in the project menu. So basically you can enter some kind of background settings, you can manage the USB port or AP log. Here you've got veneer information, so you can check the version info. Let me just not wait that. Okay, manufacturer info, etc., or other info. You've got the software upgrade also, or battery charge. You can check the current status of the battery. So if you feel that something is wrong with the battery, so for example it is too hot, or it doesn't reflect the exact level, then you can check it right here for sure. Here we've got the proper information, relevant information. Alright, so that's it for this code. I mean, just spend time on this code and check all of the options which you've got there. We can also enter the code, which is *## for O's ###, and here we will enter the section about phone. Basically, we can check the technical information about our device, for example, the IMEI number, the hardware version, software version, and the model. Another code is for the calendar information. It is *## 225 #*#*, and here usually you will be able to check some events which are gathered in one place. You can check some family events, holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. And another code, the last code actually, probably the most known, it is *##06#. And thanks to this code, you are provided with the device information, such as both IMEI numbers and the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.